Hi guys, welcome to our channel. There is a major question called eating millets can reduce weight. We all knew that millets are the cereal crops which are widely recognized as seed grasses. But earlier it was used as fodder for animal cultivation, but slowly it started getting a wide recognition as a popular food grain across the globe. After a massive shift in the food culture, people started consuming only gluten free products. Millet started getting its deserved attention after that vital shift, and now it has slowly become a food staple like rice and wheat in most of the houses. Especially in India, people have slowly started including millets in their diets. From children to adults, everyone can have a cup of millet during any time of the day to enjoy its innumerable health benefits. So, here, switching from white rice, refined wheat, and other processed grains and rather including millet can significantly reduce your weight. Processed foods or food grains don't contain a lot of nutrients, and on top of that, processed items can cause more harm. Whereas this gluten free grain is the powerhouse of various nutrients which is proven to aid in weight loss. It contains a lot of fibers, vital vitamins, proteins, which effectively can aid in shedding those extra inches. Fiber is great for your stomach. It will ensure that you have proper digestion and absorption of nutrients in the body. Including fiber rich foods is very beneficial for people who want to shed those extra kilos. Millets are rich in phosphorus, iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium, which are vital nutrients required for proper functioning of the system. When you have a well balanced diet, automatically we feel energized and amped up for burning fat. Therefore, if you are following a gluten free diet, you can now effectively lose your extra weight by adding this nutritious food grain in your diet. Thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.